At the 15th India and Japan Annual Summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Japanese counterpart Shigeru Ishiba unveiled a comprehensive vision plan, sanctioning 12 key agreements aimed at turbocharging bilateral partnership across defense, innovation, supply chains, and human resource development. A flagship pledge saw Japan commit approximately $68 billion in private sector investment into India over the next decade. The joint vision for the next decade lays out strategic collaboration across 8 domains: economic security, mobility, ecological sustainability, health, innovation, people-to-people linkages, economic partnership, and state prefecture engagements. Key highlights include a joint declaration on security cooperation, enhancing defense industry collaboration, joint exercises, and maritime security under the existing Special Strategic and Global Partnership. An action plan targeting 500,000 people, workers, students, researchers, to be exchanged between the two nations over 5 years, with 50,000 skilled Indian professionals projected to contribute in Japan. The launch of an economic security initiative focusing on semiconductors, AI, clean energy, critical minerals, and pharmaceuticals, bolstering resilient supply chains in strategic sectors. A memorandum of cooperation on critical minerals and rare earth elements designed to diversify supply chains and enhance resource resilience. In a symbolic demonstration, the summit was capped by a joint ride aboard the Shinkansen bullet train from Tokyo to Sendai, underscoring cooperation in high-speed rail and semiconductor technology. India is preparing to deploy next-generation E10 Shinkansen trains with earthquake-proof technology along its premier Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed corridor, rooting them in Japanese tech expertise. Further deepening cooperation, India and Japan agreed on the Chandrayaan-5 lunar mission, LUPEX, in which Indian Space Research Organisation and Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency will jointly explore the Moon's south pole, seeking to probe water ice deposits. PM Modi emphasized, Japanese technology and Indian talent are a winning combination, urging Japanese companies to make in India, make for the world. He hailed India's political and economic stability and its emergence as the fastest-growing major economy that is soon to become the world's third largest. The leaders reiterated their shared commitment to a free, open, peaceful, prosperous, and rules-based Indo-Pacific. They also reaffirmed their alignment within the Quad framework, addressing challenges around terrorism, cyber security, and regional stability. This vision plan marks a new chapter in India-Japan relations, anchored in strategic, technological, and institutional synergies that span across territorial and functional frontiers.